Creating an FAQ page for your website can be a time-consuming and tedious task. But with the help of AI, it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and strategy, you can create an FAQ section for your website in an efficient way using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how we do it for our websites. Today, we're going to be creating the FAQ section for a community page called Lost and Found Pets in El Paso. Let's get started, y'all. The AI that I'm using on this project here, it's called ChatGPT. It's been out for like about a month now, or maybe a little bit longer. At least I've been using it for about a month. And I also used another AI called Jasper, and that one is really, really cool too. So to use ChatGPT, it's a chat bot. So it's kind of like you're talking to an actual robot. So you just straight up ask it what it is that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and run the AI. Okay. So here we have these FAQ questions, guys. So these FAQ questions here, I'm going to go ahead and put these into the FAQ page because we already have an FAQ section, but we don't have, these questions that are more geared towards posting on the website. Copy the question and then just ask it to answer. Okay, so this is way off, so we're gonna go ahead and stop this. Okay, so we need to train the AI, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let it know that people that need help can post directly on our website from there. They are able to post on Instagram, Facebook, and our Facebook group at once. Okay, so went ahead and put that into the AI. So we're going to go ahead and ask it to answer this question again. What we're doing is we're training the AI. So feeding it information. Okay, so there we have that answer for the first question. So the way to do this, guys, again, is you create the list and you go down line by line, asking it to answer these questions. And you get the responses. So with the responses, you do want to double check them, obviously, right? And then you want to also run them through something like Grammarly. Okay, so there you go, guys. I hope you found value in the explanation that I gave you on how to create an FAQ section for your website using ChatGPT. So it's pretty easy to do. Just keep in mind the way you're going to do it. Ask it to create the FAQ questions. Ask it for as many as you want. You can ask it to give you 10, 15, 20, whatever. And then go line by line, asking it to answer each question, feeding in information when you see that the questions are not being answered correctly. It's easy as that. So ChatGPT is what we use here. There's other AIs out there. So if you know about another AI that you want to learn more about, ask us down below. Maybe we can create some content about it. And if you do like this video and you found value in it, please do give this video a like to let us know that you liked it. And if you want to see more like it, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can know when we have new videos out. Till the next one, this is David with 915 Web Design. Peace.